What's going on, guys? We are continuing our trip from right outside of Richmond up to White Plains. Today we just need 2 stops, 11 minutes and 20 minutes, and then we'll be home in a few hours. 343 miles, 6 hours of driving, 2 stops, and that is it. We'll be home. Should be a blizzard today. For the most part, it's gonna rain. Let me see if I can pull up the weather report. Yeah, rain, snow, rain, and then some snow up there. Alright, you ready, Caio?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
And I got a toy to play when we get back home.
You got an RV. So we're gonna get an RV one day.
Yeah.
Here at Lower Maryland, it's 37 degrees. We started our day at 41 degrees, so the temperature is dropping. It's been raining the whole time, no snow yet, but hopefully we could be in and out of here quick. Got here with 2% or 1%. Yeah, got here with 2%. It says be here for 20 minutes. Okay. Which I think is kind of long. What we'll do is we'll go to Carney's Point. Here, wow, only 4 available. That's crazy. Wow, Newcastle has a wait. Carney's Point tends to be good, so we'll go there, and yeah, we'll just wait. Let's see, only 152 kilowatts. It might need time to ramp up, but 13 minutes. We'll be here for 13 minutes, and when we get to Jersey, it'll be raining, and by the time we get home to White Plains, it'll be snowing. And there's a little bit of snow over there somewhere. First time seeing snow in like a week, right? Yeah. Alright, let's go use the bathroom. Been here for about 20 minutes, going to leave, go to Carney's Point, which is like South Jersey, West Nyack, top up before heading home, and then we should be home about 3 o'clock. And it's only 10 o'clock now. Ready, Caio?
Yes. Don't you dare!
Whew. Charger stops or quick. Car was ready to go before I was ready to go. Point, so southern tip of New Jersey. We are going to charge here, then charge at West Nyack because that'll be our last stop before we go home. I'm not going to our usual stop over here at Wegmans because it might be packed today. I can't even see it because we're so far. But pretty much stop here, West Nyack, when we're done, and head on home. Just rain. There was so much snow here when we were on our way to Florida, and it's been raining the last few days here in the Northeast. So I'm gonna go use the bathroom, get a coffee, take a little nap, and we get back on the road. All right, we've been here for 8 minutes, just went inside, got Dunkin' Donuts, get to West Nyack with 3%. Car's been real conservative this whole drive, so we could probably get there with more than 4% now. 141 miles to get there, 2 hours 15 minutes is kind of slow. Should it be 2 hours to get there? And given how we've been driving, 173 miles, so we're good to go. Look at that. You have enough energy to continue your trip. We had to stop here with 39% because this is the last stop before you get on the turnpike, the New Jersey Turnpike. There are no chargers on the New Jersey Turnpike anymore, or it's Tesla superchargers. You can see the arrow lines on the car pretty much. Kind of like, where does the air flow over the car? You can see by the dirt marks. Anyway, second line supercharger. Got a guy over there with a Ford Explorer charging, which I don't know. Do they make EV Ford Explorers? I'm not sure. Anyway, time to go. apple green chargers. This is why the Tesla superchargers, wow, that's heavy. The Tesla superchargers no longer exist on the New Jersey Turnpike. Oh shit, I need both hands. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy heavy. All right, I don't know how to do this, but can I use a credit card? Hit credit card. Okay, $50 is pre-authorized. Says thank you. Authenticating. Preparing power delivery. Start new session. Alright, plug in to start. I already plugged in. But how do I tell it which one? Actually, it knows letter D. Alright, and there we go. We're charging. I don't know how much charging costs there, but yeah, I don't know how much this is going to cost. I don't know what the per kilowatt hour rate here is, charging detail. Doesn't say, got a little graph there. Yeah, it doesn't have how much it cost. I didn't precondition, so go back home. Yeah, it doesn't have the charging detail. Doesn't have the price. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check my credit card later. That was a good bathroom break. I really needed to go. That's why we stopped at like 48%. I literally walked to that building, came back, and now we're here. Back to active sessions. We started at 48%, I think. We're at 58, so 10%, aka 10 kilowatt hours in 5 minutes. And again, I didn't need to stop. I just really need to use the bathroom. I have, again, no idea. There's a price here. You can see a curve, voltage, amps, total energy, average kilowatt, 48 to 59%. All right, let's get out of here. You can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's starting to snow. So let's see, how do we disconnect this? Oh, just like a regular Tesla supercharger. This thing is ridiculously heavy. What about this? All right, that's not as bad. The CCS is not as bad. Hang on, put this around this way. Actually, while I'm here, as you can see, I could really pull this out. Why would you be this far from the charger? I don't know. But okay, so we're done. 11.5 kilowatt hours. Exit, so no one else uses my card. And we're good. Alright guys, we are back home. I forgot to show you guys like the different stints between charging stations, but 1184 miles back home, averaging 308 watt hours per mile. So that's about 300 miles I could do on the battery given how we drove this whole trip. So pretty good. This is the last stint from the Apple Green charging session. So we drove about 316 at 316 watt hour per mile. Not bad considering that it's snowing now. And none of it has stuck yet. I mean, all the snow you see, that's old snow, but nothing has stuck yet. Soon enough it will, because allegedly we're getting 13 or 17 inches, and most of the snow is coming later tonight. So, you know. Anyway, car is cleaned up, kind of, sort of. I need to actually go ahead. Oh, no, it's locked on my face. There we go. I need to go ahead and kind of clean the back a little more, but overall is good. Car seat I got to bring upstairs because baby threw up all over. So, got to clean the buckles, take the whole the insert out, all that good stuff. I don't know if I'll do it today. I'm tired. It's 3:10 in the afternoon, Sunday, work tomorrow. So not bad to get home 3 o'clock in the afternoon after a nearly 1,200 mile road trip. Anyway, guys, sub to the channel if you would like the video if you like this one. Leave me a comment. Talk to you guys later.